Hi, welcome back to another exciting episode. We're going to do another unboxing. Today we're going to unbox the Audio Technica AT2020. Now this is a certified refurbished product because frankly I can't afford the new stuff. But this should do me just fine when I do my narrations and such. So we're going to open this puppy up. Okay. It comes with purchase registration card. It comes with, there we go. It comes with talks about disposal of electronic equipment. So that kind of makes me a little nervous, like they want me to throw it out. I don't know. It comes with the AT2020 cardioid condenser side address microphone. The features, the operation and maintenance, the description, all that good stuff right there. Now the box seems to be packaged pretty well. It has this little, I guess, styrofoam, plasticky type sheet on top. Take that off. Ooh. It has a little carrying case that has Audio Technica kind of embossed on it. Kind of heavy. It has the mount that you can put on a stand. So you put that on a stand. It has some threads in there. And I guess you kind of just put the microphone in there. We're going to have to read the directions on that. So put that back in there. Ooh. Now there's a little foam, I guess, inlay in there that holds the microphone during shipping, which is nice. Piece of plastic, some silica gel, and ooh, there's the microphone. Pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. Now I did also get in the same package from Amazon Basics. I got a XLR male to female microphone cable. So we're going to set this down. Open this puppy up. Somehow. This comes with a little cable wrap, Velcro, which is very good. Dun, dun, dun. So you plug this puppy right in here. Perfect. Then you'd take the other end of the microphone. You plug it into whatever you want to. In my case, it's going to be the Tascam DR40. You plug that in. And you see what the microphone's like. So I am getting levels on here. I'm going to have to play with the levels a little bit, but it is working. It is doing good. I have to see if it requires phantom power or not, but I'll look into that. But since it's a condenser microphone, probably. And the Tascam DR40 does have phantom power switch to it, so we're going to see if that works. And hopefully I'll be able to switch back and forth from the audio so I can at least let you see what this microphone sounds like. And this is the AT2020 coming to you as a testing 1, 2. Alrighty, so we'll set that off to the side. Actually, we're unplug it now. Boom. Alright, so we'll let that go. Put that off to the side. And I also got, sit this down. I also got a microphone shock. In the same time I got this. In fact, it might have even been kind of a little mini bundle. I'll research that. If not, each of the ones that I got, if I didn't do it already, I'll kind of put up in one of the corners here. Not sure which corner, so you can see what the picture looks like on Amazon. So you and also, again, if I have the time and the inclination, and of course if I remember, because I am kind of getting older. But I'll put a link down below to all these things that we unboxed today. There we go. Ooh, so it comes straight out, right out of the box. Okay, so here is the shock absorber. Right here. All right, so we got to figure out how to get that in there. I'm not 100% sure. Oh, there's a little clip there. So we have to figure that out. Here's a pop screen that has little bands on it. I'm not sure what the bands are for at this point. I'm assuming somehow it clips on here, kind of like this. But yeah, I'm gonna have to, uh-oh, no directions. All right, so I'm not quite sure how to affix this, but I will figure it out. I guarantee that. But it does have, of course, a mount here. And it looks like it has one of those, oh, it does. It has a spacer in there. That already comes with it. So it doesn't matter. So it kind of doesn't really matter what size mount that you have. Looks like it will fit with the adapter in there. And if it's a little bigger than what you expect, take the adapter out. There you go. That's kind of cool. And unplug this for a second. Alrighty. So it looks like there's these little, I guess, handholds on either side. Kind of looks like a big, one of those big chip clips. So you kind of push that, get the size that you need. Yep, that's it. Plugs right in there. Ooh, nice. Wah, 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 wah. All right, and then replug that puppy in there. A pop filter. Not sure. Looks like it just kind of fits over top of the microphone. Oh yeah, that's all it does. Okay. I think I figured it out. That's it. Where the little rubbers go, I don't know. But now, there it's all assembled. Testing 1, 2. All right, so we have this nice little pop filter. Now all I need is a little boom arm, which I did order, so hopefully we can have an unboxing about that a little bit later. But as of right now, there it is. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing for the AT2020, as well as the mount and pop filter assembly, and of course the cable. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, get in touch with me. I'll try to answer them as much as I can. And as always, have a great day.